Welcome to Grove Street, Mirfield, a truly unique property. 4 bedrooms in the main house, 2 baths, and then we're going to show you around the self-contained annex, ideal for multi-generational living. Living room, bathroom, kitchen, it's separate space. Please allow us to show you around. Welcome to the wonderful annex. A big selling point of this, it can be accessed via the house as well as having the separate doorway. Please take a look around. Let's take a look at this fantastic garage stroke workshop space. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to arrange a viewing, please give us a call 01 924 692240 or email us hello@trustsl.co.uk.